Hi, good evening, everyone. Today we will see what are the different tabs available in Salesforce. So tab is a collection of user interfaces. It is used to manage the records in the object. By using this, we can create, edit, delete, undelete, and view the records. This is nothing but managing the records. So we can create object without creating the tab. Our purpose of creating object is to manage the records, to store the data. So some clients say we don't want to see the tab. That time how they will manage the records? They manage the records programmatically, or they use import wizard, or through third-party tools they insert the records and manage the records, or data loader is the one of the option used to manage the records. What are the different types of tabs available? Because now before 6 months our client said we don't want tab. Now he is saying we want to tab for this object. That time we need to create tab as per his requirement. We have to create tab. So there are different types of tabs. There are 5 types of tabs. Five types of tabs are available in Salesforce. First thing is custom object tab. Second one is web tab. Third, Visualforce page tab. Fourth one, lightning page tab. Fifth one, lightning component tab. These are the 5 different types of tabs available in Salesforce. This is the custom tab, custom object tab. This custom object tab is used while we create the custom object. We have not given option to create the tab. That time we use this option, we use this tab, like this option, custom object tab option is used to create tab for the object, for the custom object which doesn't have tab. We have created one object now with policy name. For that there should be corresponding tab policies, but we have not selected to launch the tab. That object doesn't have, policy object doesn't have tab. Now if you want to create tab for that, you have to use this option, custom object tab. Example, policy tab, policy object doesn't have tab to manage records. Now client requirement is to create tab for policy object. That time we use this option. We use custom object tab option and we create tab for them. Second, what is web tab? Now you have a tab here. If you click this tab, it is showing account details, agent details, agent name it is showing. If you use this web tab option, when you click on that web tab, that will redirect to any website. It will redirect to website. This custom tab, custom object tab will redirect you to accounts. Custom tab is redirecting to your details directly. Agent, if you click on agent name, it is agents, it is redirecting to the records which are available in agents tab. If you click on web tab, it will redirect to web page, any web page. Option is used to create tab to redirect the user to specified website. Or web application. By giving URL address, website address. You will mention the website address while creating the tab, web tab. You will mention the website address. For example, now I want to create tab, web tab. This is the web tab, Naukri tab. This is a web tab. If you mention while creating the web tab, you will mention www.naukri.com. If you click that web tab, Naukri website will be opened. If user click on this web tab, this Naukri web tab, it will redirect to naukri.com. That you will mention while creating the web tab. While creating web tab, mention www.naukri.com. If you click on that Naukri tab, it redirects to Naukri website. Next thing is Visualforce page. Here we have client has requirement. He has mentioned his requirement is something different. What he wants to see is he wants to see a customized page. He wants to see a Visualforce page. How that Visualforce page should look like? The tab name should be search record. Visualforce page tab. The tab name should be search records. In that, he want to see some search option. He want to create one page with search option. In that search option, we have to give enter search content. This is the option. In the text box, we have to give user can enter account name. For example, this account name. Externally, user will enter here. I have some account name with Madhu. If you click on search accounts, whatever the account names with Madhu name, Madhu, Madhusudan, something. If you click on search accounts, if the name starts with Madhu or name contains Madhu, it should display Madhu, rating, industry, annual revenue, priority, active or not. Any record contains Madhu as name. All records will be displayed here. And he has one more requirement, like we can see enhanced list view control options at the top. But he want to see that in bottom under this. This is the requirement client has for Visualforce page. He wants to have a tab. He need to have a tab with such records name. In that he want to search for the content with the account name. When we click on that search account, it should display all the records which contains Madhu. For that kind of requirement, we use the option called Visualforce page tab. This option is used to create tab. It will redirect the user to specified Visualforce page. This page is created by administrators or developers. This lightning web page content also, this option is used to create tab. To redirect the tab, to redirect the user to specified lightning page. This lightning component tab is this option also is used to create tab to redirect the user to specified lightning component. We have three kinds of pages. We can have Visualforce pages, We can have Lightning Aura pages. We can have Lightning Web Component pages. These three options are for those things. This option is to specify web tab option is to specify for any website. And this option is to create tab for the object which do not have tab. This is very important concept. I am sending these notes to you. We will see practically how to create custom object tab and web tab in next session. Thank you so much for attending the session. If you have any questions, you can ask me now.